What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bev. Today is December 31st, 2021. And right now, I am in Hampton Hotel in Al Marjan Island in Ras Al Khaima for a New Year's Eve celebration. It's 10 o'clock at night, so it's time to get ready. This is gonna be my outfit for tonight. A glittery black dress and a sequin mask. I'm obsessed with this. I love this. To be festive. It's time to get ready. The Emirate of Ras Al Khaima will attempt to claim not just one, but two Guinness World Records never before seen fireworks display. First is the most remote operated drones launching fireworks, and the second is the highest altitude drones fireworks display. This will be a 12-minute pyrotechnic and drone fireworks display with 15,000 fireworks effects. So I think this is the best way to say goodbye to 2021 and say hello to 2022. Let's go! I'm going to the beach area. I'm gonna get a spot where I can watch the fireworks. Countdown has started. That was fantastic. It was so beautiful fireworks display. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye bye.